Raychem RPG has a comprehensive range of products to suit your unique applications, offering complete solutions for your cable management needs. Introducing R-loc stainless steel cable ties that ensure reliable locking of your power cables. The uniquely designed ball lock mechanism ensures that your power cables are fastened in the most efficient way. In addition to the ball lock ties, we also specialize in releasable cable ties, spring-type cable ties, and ladder ties. All of our ties can be installed using standard tools available exclusively through Raychem RPG. The entire range of ties is available across stainless steel grades 316 and 304. We also have marker tabs for cable identification, which are mandatory for projects and cable installations. Power cables running over the ladder are further secured to junction boxes using Raychem RPG cable glands that are specially designed for a safe and strain-free retention of the cable. Raychem RPG glands provide protection from ingress of dust and water and also maintain earth continuity. Available in both industrial as well as the JnExT range for armored and unarmored cables. The industrial glands range consists of A2 gland for unarmored cable, BW gland for armored cable without sealing, CW gland for armored cable with sealing, and E1W gland for armored cable with double sealing. The JnExT range consists of RA2 gland for unarmored cables with single sealing and E1RW gland for armored cables with double sealing. Glands are available in brass, stainless steel, aluminium and nylon. Raychem RPG offers enclosures made of aluminium, glass reinforced polyester and steel. The products are available as a complete solution with accessories such as DIN rails, glands, mounting plates, and external and internal hinges. The precisely designed boxes come in standard as well as the industry-leading JnExT range, meant for harsh and demanding applications. Lugs and connectors manufactured by Raychem RPG are safe and economical, both in design as well as in use. We offer a wide variety that consists of standard range, bell mouth, 4-hole transformer, narrow palm, long barrel, DIN 46235, single-hole high voltage, 2-hole high voltage, tubular 45-degree angle and tubular 90-degree angle. We also offer standard aluminium lugs and dual-rated aluminium lugs for both copper and aluminium cables, copper cable connectors, terminals, and bimetallic lugs and connectors further complete the entire range. Our lugs are tested and approved as per UL and IEC standards. Our cable management solutions meet the highest quality requirements and satisfy international standards. Raychem RPG, specialists in harsh and demanding industrial solutions.